4C. Mr. Baggy sold 8 turtles. How many turtles does he have left? Explain your solution using a number bond or a math drawing. Write a number sentence and complete the statement. So this problem is very similar to the problem that you just did, but this time we're talking about his turtles. And Mr. Baggy started with 12 turtles. Let me highlight that for you. He started with 12 turtles, but he sold 8 of them. So he sold 8. That means he got rid of 8 of them. How many turtles does he have left? If he started with 12 and he sold 8, how many does he have left? Explain your solution using a number bond or a math drawing. Remember, either one, but you must have one of them. Also, write a number sentence and complete the statement down at the bottom. Tell me Mr. Baggy has blank turtles left.